Hey, Mickey,
Hi there.
what makes a new product launch good?
There are a lot of different things that can contribute to a good product launch. It's really going to depend on the product, especially if it's your own branded product. You want to put a lot of time and effort and thought into how you launch it. But one good guide you could try to use is our new seller guide. We offer the new seller guide to all new sellers, not just those who are launching new products. It's a great resource for anyone who's getting started in the Amazon store, especially in your first 90 days. But you could use the 6 elements of the new seller guide to help launch a new product as well. The very first one is brand registry. Brand registry can take some time. You need to enroll, you need to get your products associated with it. But once you have that firepower behind you, it opens up all kinds of resources. Everything from A+ content to manage your experiments, these really amazing tools that can help you understand and improve the performance of your product. Second part of the new seller guide is Vine. Everyone needs customer reviews. Vine can help you get them. Vine is a program where you give units of your inventory away to what we call Vine Voices, and they offer authentic reviews of your products that appear in the Amazon store. Part 3, automate pricing. Just as exciting as the first 2, often used by resellers, this is a repricing tool that lets you create and set rules or just use prepackaged rules that Amazon offers so that your prices change over time in response to different events. It can really help keep you competitive, especially in a fast-paced market. Next, FBA. This is the one that a lot of folks know already, Fulfillment by Amazon. You know it because it's a great program. It allows you to send your inventory from your warehouse into the Amazon Fulfillment Network. We store it for you, we pack it for you, we send it to your customers. It's a great way to outsource the not so much fun part of running a small business and let Amazon do the work. Focus on the stuff that really matters, including reinventing your product maybe. Last but not least is ads. This is an important part of the new seller guide. It can mean coupons, it can mean deals, it can mean promotions, or it can mean actual ads that you might run through Amazon advertising. And those are usually cost per click ads, sponsored products, sponsored brands, or sponsored display. All 3 of those can be a really great way to get your products in front of more customers and sold in the Amazon store.